Good morning, guys.
Good morning. So today is the last day of Overland
Overland
Expo, and we're just here buying some breakfast in front of 85 Degree Bakery. So right now we also are just waiting for our Uber because we don't want to bring two cars there because roll out later
tonight,
on.
yeah.
So okay,
All right, let's go.
let's go and wait.
Good
We
morning,
made it
guys.
back. Yeah, good morning. Wow, our we actually rode on a Model 3 Tesla.
Yeah, it
or
was
no,
really-
Model Y Tesla. It was really nice.
Yeah.
So we're back now and we're on our way in. Today's the last day and we're just going back to the places that was either closed when we were there or we just got there too early. So we're here at the roller cam and they do the ultimate tie downs. There's the ultimate tie downs right there. So we got ourselves the 3 feet and the 6 feet at the roller cam, the ultimate tie down. We are here in front of our booth here, our Convoys cover booth. And this time, way less people now because
It's the last day.
yeah, it's the last day.
And actually, it's the last few minutes.
It ends at 4. It's already 3:16.
Yeah.
So they only got like less than 45 minutes left. So these are still all the companies, but
I
yeah.
didn't know they have lights there.
Oh crap! This
Rock
one has
lights.
rock lights here. That is so cool. Nice. Right now is a great time to go because they're making deals like there's no tomorrows. But anyways, so yeah, there's a lot less people now. They're all the products that they still have. Oh, look at that blowout sale. Never mind. Look at that blowout sale, guys. We're here at the Sherpa booth and these are all the products that they have for sale here. Oh, I didn't know this, but Lexus actually has a class going on right now. Visiting our friends, awesome Subaru here at the Kumho Tires. And here's his build right here. Look at that, that is so cool. Oh, Overland out. We're at the GTF Overland. And check out the stuff that they got here. Look how much stuff that you could carry on your spare tire right there. That is so cool. There's the bags right there. The Molly system bags, all different sizes. That is so cool. Check out this tent system here. Look at this. This is so cool. The Overland-ish base camp tents. It looks really different. Oh, they even have an AC port right there too. And there's the portable AC. Cool. So here's a closer look at the showcase and DIY spots for the builds here. Some nice overland forerunners here. Nice Everglades. And beside this Everglades is this look at this what is it, Viking R Overland. Damn, this thing is huge. And then we got some more Sprinter vans here. Look at this, all overland decked out. The motos here, that's for overlanding. Wow, look at their tires too, for a straight out off-road. That is so cool. And look at all their storage cases and their Molly systems here too. Oh crap. Oh yeah, that's right. Brembo brakes too. Nice. So we're here at Devos Outdoor. And these are actually the outdoor lights that we use for our live,
Yeah.
for our YouTube live.
And install.
Oh, and installs. I forgot about that. And installs. So they actually have a few new stuff here that let's see if we could see it. All right. So they have a Starlink what's that, battery?
Yeah.
Right there for Devos. Over here at the show, look at that. They got discounts. Oh my gosh. They got the Light Ranger 800 Mini. And then check out this their show display right here. Look at that. You got the solar panels right there. It even has a table. That is so cool. Here at the Smart Cap booth, Forge in Africa. And check out their products here. So this is a Ford Ranger Raptor. And wow, this is how it looks like right here. That is so cool. They got like the gold wing doors and stuff. This is so nice. And this is how this side looks like. Actually, just check this Grenadier. And wow, look at this. All leathered out. This is nice. Oh, they even have a Molly system here. Damn, everything's all leathered out. tent up there too. And here's their awning. And here is the driver's seat. Oh wow, even the floor mats. That's crazy. Oh, it's by Storyteller Overland. Just did a quick walk around,
Yeah.
and wow, there is a lot less people today because this is the last day.
Yeah, it's almost closing time already.
And that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just heading back, prepare.
Yeah, it was a great event.
I know this is actually one of our #1 shows.
Yeah.
For what was it
Or
like?
expo.
Or expo. Yeah, this is actually this is our #1 show for our for the expo.
Yeah.
So
If you guys missed out this year,
there's always next year. Yeah.
next
And
year.
it gets bigger and,
And
bigger.
bigger, yeah.
Yeah, someone just said that this show is now bigger than the Overland West in Flagstaff, Arizona.
Yeah.
Meaning that there is more vendors too.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Okay, let's walk back. So we're back here where you could overland and sleep. And wow, there's already a lot of people that left already. We could hear the announcement that they are now closing.
So we're putting our battery back.
Yeah, we're connecting it back. There you go, nice and tight.
Tight.
And this is how our engine bay looked like. Too bad we didn't have the opportunity to pop the hood. But
It's dusty already.
yeah. So they are now dismantling a portable awning tactical system there. And look how nice and simple it is to dismantle it. After untying it to the tires or to the wheels, they just simply put the pole down, and they're now going to roll it in. And there you go, all done. You could actually just roll off like that, and it's ready to drive. People are now rolling out here. There you go. Look at that nice Super Duty right there. After packing everything up, wow, look at this, guys. It's starting to get empty again, starting to look like a parking lot again.
The show has ended and we now basically packed up. We just need to roll out from our boulder. Just go back straight, just straight. There. There. Reverse, yeah. You're good. You're good. Yeah, start turning your wheel. Go in the other side. And then just straight. Yep, you're good. Just reverse straight. We'll get out from there. Alright guys, we are now rolling out. That was a great event.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, and thank you so much Convoy Covers for, for getting us in there and being a booth car of your booth.
Yeah, it was truly an honor and a blessing.
Yes. Yes, so now we're heading home. It was a great event. So
Super.
yeah.
Honestly, it's my favorite event other than SEMA.
Yeah, so we can wait for next year.
Okay,
Let's go. We're here at this taco stand here in the OC Fair. So we're just getting some tacos for lunch.
All right, so Francis just got us some tacos.
Oh, they're so good.
Oh my, it smells good. Oh shoot. At the taco place. Check out that nice Bronco right there, all ARB out.